Vignette Effect Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the app is ready, press Create New Project inside Alight Motion to start a new project. Adjust the project settings based on your preference. After configuring the settings, select Create Project to create your project and enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button located below the timeline to add your footage. Browse through your files and pick the footage that you want to use for this effect. After selecting the footage, import it into the timeline and make sure it is added to the project. Once the footage has been imported, press the plus button again to add another layer. From the available options, add a rectangle layer to your timeline. After the rectangle layer appears in the timeline, press the three dots located at the top of the screen to open additional options. From the menu that appears, select Stretch to Composition Area so the rectangle covers the entire composition. When the rectangle has been stretched to fit the composition area, go to the Effect menu inside the rectangle layer. Inside that Effect menu, press Add Effect once again to access the Effect browser, where all available effects can be found. In the Effect browser, find the Copy Background effect. Once you locate it, add the Copy Background effect to the rectangle layer. After adding the effect, open the Effect browser again and search for the Vignette effect. When the Vignette effect appears in the search results, select it and add it to the rectangle layer. After the effect has been applied, adjust the Vignette effect values according to your preference until you achieve the appearance you want. You have now successfully added a Vignette effect in Alight Motion and completed the entire process from start to finish.